Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix lag on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's get started. Now the very first thing which you want to do is basically go ahead and close out all the apps by using this close option. Close all the apps. Now once you have done that, the next thing you can do is simply restart. That's always help to clear things up, and it might be a simple of a fix. You can now do it from the top here or use the volume down button and the side button at the same time to open up the phone menu. So there you can press on the restart button and it will restart your device. So that's going to be a quick and easy fix. Now if that did not help for you, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead into your settings, then open up your device key. In this section, you are going to tap on memory and it's going to check for memory. It should tell you that you should clean your memory. If you tap on the clean, it's going to start cleaning that memory to improve the performance specifically for lag. And once you have done that, you are going to go back here. The next thing to check out is the storage here. The important step here is that you are going to see how much storage you have on your device. Now, if you have pretty much close to that storage, you want to delete things like photos, videos, any apps that you don't use. Clear up some storage, because the more that you have filled up, it's going to make your phone slower. And also you want to see unused apps right. You can tap on it to see which apps are being unused. You can select them to uninstall those apps as well. Again, we will be clearing up the storage and make it easier for the phone in terms of the performance. Now, same with the recycle bin. If you have stuff in the recycle bin, you want to go ahead and clear that recycle bin as well. And then if you have a duplicate files, you want to go ahead and delete them as well. Even if you have the large files, you want to review anything that is larger and you want to go ahead and delete them as well. These are going to help you to free up some storage. In return, it will fix any lag that you are experiencing. Now, after you have done that, the next thing to do is maybe the lag is on a specific app or apps that you are using. Open up your settings, then go to apps, and you want to start clearing up the caches on the app. So any app that you have, for example, go down each of the list here, finds apps you are going to have been issuing any lag and tap on them. And then click on storage and there you should see a clear cache option. Just open up apps one by one and clear the caches just like that, and it will help you out to fix the issue. And that's basically going to help the performance and any lag that you're experiencing. Now let's say you did that, and the next thing you are going to want to do is this step here. Open up settings. Here you're going to go all the way down to the bottom and then click on software information. Then click on the build number and you're going to tap on 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we are going to enter known as the developer mode. Now going back to the main setting, swipe a little bit and then you see the developer option. Tap on that. So you are going to scroll down and then further scroll down until you see the input section here. In the input section, you are going to see 3 of these: Windows animation scale, transition animation scales, and animator duration scale. Currently, they are going to be all set to 1x. You are going to try to do a 0.5 and then 0.5 and then 0.5 for all the 3 and test to see if it helps. Now, you can also turn these off if you don't want these animation, as that can make your phone feel like they are slow and you should see an improvement in your performance, and that lags should be fixed. Again, this is something you may or may not have to do. It's really depend upon you. Now, once you have done that, you can go ahead and turn off the developer mode and go back and it will be removed. And then the final thing to do is always update your phone to the latest version. So in this software update here, check for any updates. And if there is any update, you're going to update your phone to the latest version so that it runs smoothly in previous issues. So guys, that is how you can fix any lag on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or any Samsung phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.